passive income ideas that require zero money to start. Are you tired of the endless grind of trading hours for dollars? What if I told you there's a way to start making money without ever reaching for your wallet? That's right. No investment, no credit cards, just pure opportunity. You might be wondering, is this even possible? Trust me, it is. And by the end of this video, you'll be armed with powerful passive income ideas that could change the trajectory of your life forever. But first, let's talk about something you might not want to hear. The harsh truth. Most people will go through life working paycheck to paycheck with dreams of financial freedom that never materialize. They wait for the right moment to start investing, or they let fear hold them back. But today, right here, you have the chance to break that cycle. So, are you ready to escape the rat race? Let's dive in. Here's the truth. You've probably heard about passive income 1,000 times, but the idea of needing money to start feels like a barrier you can't cross, right? So, what if I told you there's a way to earn money without needing to spend anything up front? Intrigued yet? Let's jump into your first zero-cost passive income idea, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate low-risk, high-reward business model. You don't need to create a product, hold inventory, or manage logistics. All you need is a platform, a blog, a YouTube channel, an Instagram, anywhere you can influence others. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys a product, you earn a commission. It's that simple. But here's the kicker. There's no product development required, and you can start promoting products that align with your passions. You can talk about your favorite books, fitness gear, or tech gadgets, and boom, you're in business. Feeling overwhelmed? Let's simplify it. What's something you use every day? That could be your starting point. And remember, the best part about affiliate marketing is that it's fully scalable. The more you put in, the more you can earn. The key here is time, not money. Okay, wait, before we continue, you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but do I have to be an influencer or have millions of followers? Absolutely not. Let me show you how this works with zero followers in a moment. Stay with me. Now, let's talk about another powerful passive income idea, creating and selling digital products. And I mean products you don't have to physically create or ship. Ever hear of ebooks or online courses? This is your chance to tap into your knowledge and transform it into a product that generates income long after you've created it. Think about it. If you have a unique skill, experience, or knowledge, you can monetize it without any upfront investment. Let me be clear though. I'm not talking about writing an entire novel or creating a 10-hour course overnight. Start small. A short guide, a beginner's ebook on a topic you know inside out, or a simple tutorial video. When you sell digital products, you're not worrying about inventory or shipping fees. Once it's done, it's out there working for you. And remember, this doesn't just stop at ebooks or courses. Printables, templates, and designs are all part of this world. This method works because once you create the product, it's available to customers 24/7, while you're sleeping, working, or enjoying time with friends. The best part? It's a snowball effect. You create it once, then you get paid for it over and over again. Effort without ongoing effort. Who doesn't love that? Are you still with me? Think of the possibilities getting paid while you nap. Sounds like a dream, huh? But this dream can become reality. Stay with me. We've got more strategies ahead. Let's shift gears to something that might surprise you. Renting out your assets. I know you're probably thinking, I don't have a luxury car or an extra house to rent. But what if I told you that your phone could be your first asset? There are apps out there that pay you to lend your phone's unused processing power to scientific research. And no, you won't need a tech background to get started. Some apps will pay you for lending your phone's storage or internet bandwidth too. It's passive income that requires no investment, except for having a phone and a little bit of time. Plus, it's totally scalable. The more you use your phone, the more you could earn. Imagine getting paid to scroll your social feed. How cool is that? Is this kind of thinking that separates the financially savvy from the rest? You're not just earning money for no reason. You're leveraging your everyday items to work for you. By now, you're probably thinking, I didn't know this could be done without investing money up front. And that's the secret. You're leveraging what you already have. Your phone, your time, your creativity. But hold on. Before you start downloading every app you see, I've got a game-changing idea that could set you up for financial independence faster than you think. You're not going to want to miss this. So here's the final idea that ties everything together: building a niche website or blog. This is where your affiliate marketing skills can shine. You already have the tools in place, your blog or social platform. And now it's time to take it to the next level. But how do you get started if you have zero money to invest? Simple. Start with free platforms like WordPress or Medium. Focus on a niche that you're passionate about, something you can talk about endlessly. Once you create valuable content, your site will naturally attract visitors. As those visitors grow, you can add affiliate links, advertise products, and eventually monetize in many ways. In fact, some people make a full-time income doing nothing but sharing what they know. Here's the thing. You don't need to be a master of SEO right away, but you need to start. It's the consistency that pays off. Imagine a year from now, that blog you started with zero investment is generating steady, passive income. This isn't a dream. It's a strategic choice. So there you have it. 4 powerful passive income ideas that require no money to start: affiliate marketing, digital products, renting your assets, and blogging. These are your tickets to financial freedom. Now it's up to you to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Your wealth building journey starts today. Want to dive deeper into any of these ideas? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're most excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on building wealth and living the life you deserve. Remember, the path to financial freedom doesn't require money up front. It requires time, effort, and the willingness to take that first step. Will you take it?